Did you know that almost everyone experiences skin issues at some point in their lives? It's true. Achieving flawless skin often feels like an impossible dream. But what if I told you that by 2025, flawless skin could be a reality for many? New technology is emerging, and this is changing the game for our skin. We are on the verge of a skincare revolution. Exciting advancements are happening. New trends are emerging. These breakthroughs offer hope for achieving the clear, radiant skin we all desire. Imagine a future where stubborn acne is a distant memory. Imagine dry, irritated skin is a thing of the past. This is the future of skincare. This future is closer than you think. This isn't just a fantasy. We're talking real solutions backed by science. This is about to get very interesting. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of skincare, and it's closer than you think. It's time to say goodbye to those old skincare routines. It's time to unlock the secrets to flawless skin. Get ready to dive into the latest breakthroughs in skincare. We're going to explore cutting-edge technologies. We'll discover how these innovations are transforming skincare as we know it. Throughout this journey, I'll be your guide, breaking down complex scientific concepts into easy-to-understand terms. We'll explore the science behind these breakthroughs. Get ready to unlock the future of skincare together. Get ready for flawless skin. Let's begin. Let's face it, everyone wants that healthy, radiant glow. But achieving and maintaining flawless skin can feel like an uphill battle. We've all been there, staring in the mirror, frustrated with those persistent blemishes, dryness, or fine lines. Despite countless skincare products and treatments available, these issues continue to plague many of us. We're bombarded with promises of miracle creams and quick fixes, yet the struggle for flawless skin persists. Why is it so hard to achieve the skin of our dreams? The truth is, many factors contribute to these common skin concerns. Genetics, environmental aggressors, hormonal fluctuations, and even our lifestyles can wreak havoc on our skin's delicate balance. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into these challenges, exploring the reasons behind their persistence, and setting the stage for understanding how the latest skincare innovations can provide real, lasting solutions. Acne, for instance, is a widespread problem affecting people of all ages. This stubborn condition arises from a complex interplay of factors, including excess oil production, clogged pores, bacteria, and inflammation. Dryness is another common complaint, often caused by a compromised skin barrier that struggles to retain moisture. Environmental factors like cold weather, low humidity, and harsh soaps can exacerbate this issue, leaving skin feeling tight, itchy, and flaky. And as we age, the visible signs of time become increasingly apparent. Fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots emerge due to a natural decline in collagen production and cellular turnover. These are just a few examples of the many skin challenges that people face daily. The good news is that the future of skincare offers promising solutions to address these issues at their core. Traditional skincare approaches often focus on masking the symptoms rather than tackling the root causes of these problems. We've become accustomed to a cycle of trying different products, hoping for a miracle, only to be met with temporary results or worse, further irritation. The skincare landscape is about to change dramatically. The emergence of groundbreaking technologies and a deeper understanding of skin health are paving the way for a new era of skincare solutions. In the next section, we'll explore these exciting advancements and discover how they're transforming our approach to skincare. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities for achieving the flawless skin you deserve. The future of skincare is not about one-size-fits-all solutions. It's about personalized approaches tailored to your unique skin needs. Just like a fingerprint, everyone's skin is different. What works wonders for one person might be ineffective or even irritating for another. This is where the power of technology comes into play. Imagine having a skincare routine designed specifically for you, based on your skin type, concerns, and even your environment. This is the promise of personalized skin care. Today, sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence are being used to analyze vast amounts of data about skin. By understanding the factors that contribute to your skin's health, we can develop targeted solutions that deliver real results. This is just the beginning of a skincare revolution that puts you in control. Get ready to say goodbye to generic products and hello to a personalized approach that caters to your skin's unique needs. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction movies. It's here, and it's transforming the way we approach skincare. AI-powered tools and devices are popping up everywhere, offering a glimpse into the future of personalized skin health. Imagine taking a selfie and receiving a comprehensive skin analysis within seconds. AI algorithms can identify patterns and subtle changes in your skin that might not be visible to the naked eye. These intelligent systems can detect early signs of aging, pinpoint areas of concern, and even recommend specific products tailored to your skin's current condition. No more guessing games or relying on trial and error. AI takes the guesswork out of skincare. But AI's role in skincare extends far beyond diagnostics. AI-driven formulations are also emerging, allowing for the creation of highly customized products that adapt to your skin's changing needs over time. The quest for flawless skin has always been driven by a search for the most effective ingredients. While traditional skincare relied heavily on readily available botanicals and chemicals, the future of skincare delves deeper into the science of skin health. Scientists are now unlocking the potential of previously untapped natural resources, exploring exotic plants, marine extracts, and even the power of probiotics to create cutting-edge skincare solutions. These innovative ingredients are backed by rigorous scientific research, targeting specific skin concerns at the cellular level. From reducing inflammation and boosting collagen production to protecting against environmental damage, these ingredients are revolutionizing how we care for our skin. One exciting area of research is the development of bioidentical ingredients. These are substances that mimic the natural components of our skin, allowing for better absorption and more targeted results. The future of skincare isn't limited to expensive treatments at dermatology clinics. Innovative at-home devices are bringing the power of professional skincare directly to your fingertips. These devices, once found only in medical settings, are now more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. Imagine enjoying a spa-quality facial from the comfort of your own home. LED light therapy masks, microcurrent devices, and even personalized skincare robots are becoming increasingly common in the quest for flawless skin. LED light therapy, for example, utilizes different wavelengths of light to stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and even kill acne-causing bacteria. Microcurrent devices, on the other hand, deliver gentle electrical currents to tone facial muscles and promote a more youthful appearance. These at-home devices offer a convenient and cost-effective way to supplement your skincare routine, providing professional-grade results without ever leaving the house. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The future of skincare has arrived, and it's all thanks to a revolutionary product that's changing the game. Introducing the Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000. Okay, I might have gotten a little carried away with the name, but trust me, this product is the real deal. This isn't just another cream promising empty results. This is a targeted serum powered by groundbreaking technology and backed by years of scientific research. Remember all those innovative ingredients and advancements we talked about? This serum combines the best of them all into one powerful formula. We're talking personalized peptides, bioidentical growth factors, and a unique delivery system that ensures deep penetration for maximum efficacy. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into the science behind the magic and explore why this serum is truly a game changer in the quest for flawless skin. The Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000 works on multiple levels to address the root causes of common skin concerns. At its core is a proprietary blend of personalized peptides, the building blocks of proteins that play a crucial role in maintaining skin's elasticity, firmness, and overall health. These peptides are carefully selected based on your unique skin profile, targeting specific concerns like wrinkles, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and loss of elasticity. By delivering these peptides deep into the skin, the serum stimulates collagen production, improves cell turnover, and strengthens the skin's natural barrier function. But that's not all. The serum also contains bioidentical growth factors, naturally occurring substances that promote cell regeneration and repair. These growth factors help to speed up the skin's natural healing process, reducing the appearance of scars, sun damage, and other imperfections. The combination of personalized peptides and bioidentical growth factors creates a powerful synergy, working together to transform your skin from the inside out. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but does it really work? And the answer is a resounding yes. We've conducted extensive clinical trials with real people, and the results have been nothing short of remarkable. In these trials, users reported significant improvements in skin tone, texture, and overall appearance. Fine lines and wrinkles were visibly reduced, age spots faded, and skin felt smoother, firmer, and more hydrated. And the best part? These results were achieved without any harsh chemicals, irritants, or invasive procedures. But don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to read the testimonials from real users who have experienced the transformative power of the Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000 firsthand. Their stories are a testament to the fact that flawless skin is within reach for everyone. The future of skincare is here, and it's personalized, effective, and accessible to all. The Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000 is more than just a serum. It's an investment in your skin's health and a commitment to unlocking your most radiant self. We believe that everyone deserves to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. That's why we've made it our mission to create a product that truly delivers on its promises, empowering you to achieve the flawless skin you've always dreamed of. Join us on this exciting journey towards a future where healthy, radiant skin is the norm, not the exception. Embrace the power of personalized skincare and unlock your skin's full potential with the Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the message is clear. The future of skincare is brighter than ever. We're on the cusp of a revolution. This revolution is powered by personalized solutions. It's driven by groundbreaking technologies. This revolution is about to change everything. Remember those persistent skin problems that seemed impossible to overcome? They don't stand a chance against the advancements we've discussed. We're talking about AI-powered routines, revolutionary ingredients, and at-home devices that deliver professional-grade results. And let's not forget the star of the show, the Derma Future Skin Regenerator 3000. This game-changing serum, with its personalized peptides and bioidentical growth factors, represents the future of skincare. It's a future where flawless skin is not a distant dream, but an attainable reality. But it's not just about the products and technology. It's about understanding your skin's unique needs and making informed choices about your skincare routine. It's about embracing a holistic approach that encompasses both cutting-edge science and a deep respect for your skin's natural balance. So what are you waiting for? The power to unlock flawless skin is in your hands. Don't settle for mediocre results or outdated routines. Embrace the future of skincare and embark on a journey towards your most radiant self. Remember, achieving flawless skin is not about perfection. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. It's about celebrating your natural beauty and taking proactive steps to care for your skin's health, both now and in the years to come. I hope this journey has been informative and inspiring. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest skincare challenges? Have you tried any of the products or technologies we discussed? Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. I'm eager to hear about your experiences. What's your biggest skincare struggle? Have you discovered any amazing products or tips? Let's build a community of support. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey matters. By sharing your experiences, you might help someone else who's facing similar challenges. Plus, I love hearing your feedback and answering your questions. Don't be shy. Let's connect and support each other on our quest for flawless skin. Your voice matters in the skincare revolution. This is just the beginning of our skincare adventure. Stay tuned for more videos on my channel. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you achieve your best skin ever. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your skin, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your skincare routine. So hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey together. I can't wait to share more skincare secrets with you.